Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to set up your headphone, earbuds or your speaker for single ear only. So in case if you want to use only one side of your headphone, so you can easily able to set up this. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work or you don't need to do any extra third-party app software. So just follow this easy and simple step-by-step guide to set up this. So first you need to connect your headphone. So I am using wireless headphone. So as you can see guys, I have connected via Bluetooth. So now after this guys, you need to open your Windows settings. So I am using Windows 11. So might be some different option feature available in Windows 10. So you can watch this video very carefully. In the Windows settings, go to system and from the right panel open the sounds like this. Okay. In the sound settings, first you need to enable the mono audio. Just enable it like this. So it will combine left and right audio channel into one. Okay. And then go to your speaker headphone in the output section like this. Now here guys, you need to volume down one channel. So I don't want to use my left side headphone, so just I will mute this sound like this. Okay, as you can see guys in my screen. So one more setting is this guys. In the settings menu, scroll down here, you can get the option more sound setting. Just click and open it like this. So it will open the new window on your screen. As you can see guys, from here you need to select your headphones like this. Okay, and go to enhancement tab, and from here you need to select loudness equalization. This box you need to check and go to spatial sound and you need to turn off this. Okay, and click on apply and okay, that's it. Now you can close the sound settings, close the overall settings. Now enjoy your one side headphone sound. So this is the way to configure single earphone sound settings on your Windows PC. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.